And 7MKY, hello YouTube. Well, hopefully I won't bore everybody with an unboxing video, but you know what? I'm pretty excited. And I'm going to try to do this with one hand, so hopefully I don't cut myself. Nonetheless, this has been long awaited. This is going to be adding to my ability to go portable and continue my ham radio adventures. I'm pretty excited about this. Well-packaged box, and let's put it this way. I was backer number 47. Shipping started this week, and got the notice and a tracking number, and lo and behold, it came the next day. So I've been waiting with bated breath on this. This is the Star-Batt battery that powers a Starlink Mini. And we're going to go ahead and unbox this guy. And again, wish me luck on not hurting myself. So far, so good. There was almost an accident. Another one. Come on. There we go. And we'll set that there. Pop it open. And oh my God, it is beautiful. So as you can see, very, very well packed, solid, nothing rattled whatsoever. Thank you, Star-Batt. And our first little box here, we have the accessories. Those accessories being a very nice long 12-volt charger, cigarette lighter adapter, so I can plug that in the Star-Batt. We have the pigtail that goes inside the Star-Batt into the Starlink. Set that aside. And of course, a little bit of swag, a nice sticker. And what else do we have in here? Another box. Thank goodness it's not taped. I'll set that one here. And this is the home charger. Big old brick. I guess if you're charging such a big battery, it has to be. Everybody's going to probably ask this, so we'll just focus in on that. 24 volts, 10 amps. Answer any questions there. And, of course, instructions. Most ham radio operators do not read them. But since I don't want to avoid any warranties, I'll make sure that I go through this, including registering it, even though they shipped it to me and know that I have it. And there it is. I chose orange. I want to be able to see this thing. So let's get this thing pulled out. And I'm going to have to use two hands. So we'll splice this video together. All right, we got it out of the box. How nicely made. Very nice. Well identified. Power in, power out. And look at that. Of course, we need to charge it before we remove the sticker, so we won't violate that. That's almost like removing the tag off of a mattress. You're not supposed to do that. And there's my serial number. Very nice. And that's where the Starlink Mini will mount. Very nice, gentlemen. Your team did great, and I'm very excited. So, with that said, I will get this charged up. Get my Starlink Mini, put it in there, fire it up, and start showing it off. N7MKY, thanks for watching. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I'm so close. I think I need like 500 subscribers. And I'm getting there. And it's all thanks to you. So like, subscribe, and stay tuned for some operational tests with the StarBatt Mini. N7MKY 73.